who has all the talents, abilities and knowledge to go through the story without any struggle, pain, hardship to overcome or anything to learn. See, the greater the struggle, the greater the pain, the harder the enemy is to overcome, the greater will the hero be in the end. It's not someone who changes the world by doing nothing. See, in sport, there are many great athletes, but the real heroes in sport are those who failed along the way, who failed so hard that we thought they would never get back up again. The real heroes pushed through these obstacles and raised to new heights. They showed the world, no matter what happens, I will reach my goal. That's the mentality of a hero. They fight for their dreams, for their surroundings, for their loved ones, for themselves. They fight for what they believe in. And they know they don't have all the answers. They know they have to push through pain. See, we are all in the middle of our life. We are all in the middle of our story. So just turn the page and realize you will become the hero of your own story if you push through all the struggle, all the pain and learn along the way. But if you never set out, if you never start, you cannot become the hero on the journey. You cannot touch people's hearts. You cannot change the world and yourself if you do not write your own story.